With the lockdown still in progress, I'm sure you've run out of sweets and snacks. And if you have a sweet tooth, here is an instant all-time favorite sweet snack recipe, the chikki. Have you heard of Lonavala chikki? Keep watching. Hey, I'm Sujata here, an educator in biology and environmental science, a health and wellness consultant, and your host on Manchanmal. Enjoy chikki. Do click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon. What or where is Lonavala? Lonavala is a small, beautiful hill station tucked in between the cities of Mumbai and Pune in Maharashtra. If you happen to visit this hill station, Lonavala, you will find that every other shop is a chikki shop, and thus for most of the Maharashtrians, Lonavala and chikki are synonymous. I have spent 3 beautiful years in Lonavala, and so when I think of Lonavala, I think of chikki. You may be surprised to find that chikki can be made with a wide variety of ingredients. For example, roasted Bengal gram, sesame, coconut, nuts. But the all-time favorite is peanut chikki. Today we are going to be making crushed peanut chikki with just 2 ingredients. Nowadays, chikki often gets made with white refined sugar, but traditionally chikki was always made with jaggery. Jaggery chikki is very nutritious and, by the way, much tastier than the sugar chikki. Why jaggery and why not white sugar? Here's why. While white sugar consists of 99.5% sucrose, jaggery has only 65 to 85% of sucrose. On the other hand, jaggery is rich in minerals like iron, calcium, phosphorus and magnesium, none of which are found in refined white sugar. The iron in jaggery can help avoid anemia, and magnesium helps to strengthen the nervous system. According to the Sushruta Samhita, the ancient Indian medical text, jaggery is known to be a blood purifier and prevents rheumatic ailments and bile disorders. The micronutrients present in jaggery are reported to have antitoxic and anti-carcinogenic properties. For example, research indicates that regular use of jaggery can help prevent toxicity related to atmospheric pollution and incidence of lung cancer. Some studies also suggest that daily use of jaggery may increase human lifespan. So all said and done, it is wiser to use jaggery for sweetening rather than refined white sugar. Let's heat the kadhai first and roast the groundnuts. Roast the peanuts till it changes color and the peel starts to peel off. Now, generally people discard the peel of the groundnut. It's always better to use the peel as it's full of nutrients. Since I'm using organic groundnuts, definitely I'll be using it with the peel. So here the peanut roasting is over and I've switched off the gas. So we'll cool this, and once it gets cooled, it gets very crispy. It's best to transfer the roasted groundnuts from the hot kadhai to another container for cooling. Otherwise the residual heat might burn the groundnuts. By the way, did you know that peanuts originated in Peru in South America? We have looked at very interesting aspects of peanuts in our previous episode on how to make peanut butter. And peanuts are extremely healthy. Here's how. Peanuts or groundnuts are excellent source of healthy fats, proteins, fiber, vitamins and minerals. Peanuts contain almost all the 20 amino acids which are essential for our body to make proteins. In particular, peanuts are rich in the amino acid arginine. Arginine helps to strengthen the immune system and also helps to keep the liver healthy. Besides being rich in vitamin E, peanuts are rich in copper, manganese and iron too. So here are the roasted peanuts. We'll grind them. Here's the coarsely ground peanut powder. So here are the 2 ingredients for making our crushed peanut chikki. 1 cup of roasted peanut powder and 3/4 cup of jaggery powder. You could also use elaichi powder, but I have run out of that due to the lockdown. Before we start making the chikki, let's keep ready a greased plate. So I'm just adding a few drops of oil. I have used groundnut oil, you could use any oil. Just remember to keep this ready well in advance. So let's melt the jaggery first. Exactly add 2 tablespoons of water. 1, 2. Let's heat it. So we will strain this into the kadhai now. So let's strain this now. We need to boil this till a point where we have a one string consistency and also it forms a lump in the water. How we will know is when we put a drop of it, it will form a lump. Right now it is not forming a lump, right? It's spreading. Here, it's formed a lump. Can you see? The lump is not moving. So now we will switch off the gas and add the crushed peanut powder. Mix it. And this is the stage where you add your elaichi powder. That's all to it. So now we'll shift it from the kadhai to this greased plate. You have to immediately transfer this from the kadhai into the plate before it cools down. Grease a small katori with oil and then spread this. Spread it evenly. I've greased the knife also. Let it cool down completely before we separate the pieces. So here now we'll remove the pieces. Here our crushed peanut chikki or groundnut chikki is ready. It's come out really very well. Soft yet crisp. Amidst the corona pandemic, suddenly people have become sensitive to hygiene. For example, washing hands, using hand sanitizers, avoiding physical contact. But our grandparents have always told us about these things. Shall we look at it? Traditionally, we have always greeted with a namaste or a namaskaram and not with a handshake. And now, Prince Charles is talking about it. Since my childhood, getting footwear into the house was completely barred. You will recollect that it is a very traditional practice that once we enter home from outside, we wash our hands, legs and face. Today, hand sanitizers have become very fashionable, but they are loaded with chemicals, and so simple hand washing with a soap is more than enough. This corona pandemic will pass, but with that, should we stop our traditional practices like leaving our footwear outside, coming home and washing our hands and legs? What do you feel about it? Leave your comments in the comment section below. Continue to stay home, stay safe and enjoy chikki. Yummy. Hey, have you subscribed to Manchanmal? Do click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to receive notifications of my newest videos uploaded every Saturday.